Hello my sweet family, una welcome to my channel. How una dey? Trust all of una dey fine. Today I want to show una how I do batch cooking for weekend. During the weekends now they make all my food wey be say we go eat for the week, because when the week starts e no dey easy or time no dey dey to cook like this. If you dey live for Germany, you go understand wetin I dey talk. Germany na place wey be say during the week everybody dey busy, nobody dey get time. When you wake up for morning, you go carry children go drop for school. After you carry children go drop for school, you go come prepare yourself to go work. And work na from like 8 o'clock to 6 or 5. When you come back, no time na to bath, eat, then rest for the next day job. So that is why when it is weekend, at that time we be say we dey cook all the food, everything we go eat for the week, we dey prepare and down so that it go dey easy for us. So now my chicken be this. You can see I buy plenty chicken wey go carry us for the week. Now so I go just cut them small. I go come steam them with all the sweet ingredients, then come fry am. When I fry am all like this, I go come package and put for fridge. So now the chicken be this. I don't fry and finish. You see as it dey, see as it fine for face, see as they look yummy. Now so I go pack them up, put for inside fridge. Now I get to start to prepare the peppers. All these peppers now I want use cook all the food. So I go first of all wash and come remove all the seed. Make sure say all the seed no dey, because if you leave the seed inside, it go make your food bitter. So I have to take my time to remove all the seed, wash them very clean, because I no fit eat dirty. You know, I have to wash it very clean and remove all the seed. After I remove all the seed, I go come blend them. Me, I dey like use this pepper carry cook my food, because this pepper get one kind unique taste wey they give my food. I don't know about you, I don't know if you experience this thing, but this pepper it dey sweet on my food well. I dey use am anytime I want make stew, I want make jollof, I want make porridge. I dey always like to use these sweet peppers. It's too good, it's too nice, especially if you use them the right way, you will enjoy it. So now me, so I dey wash them well. I dey wash them like 3 times to remove all the dirty before I go come blend them. And when I dey blend them, I no dey blend them too smooth. I dey blend them roughly. So this one are my onions, because when I don't wash the pepper, I don't remove all the seed, I go come cut my onions, peel the onions, wash them clean. Because when I dey blend them, I dey add onions, I dey add habanero pepper, blend them together. When you blend these 3 together, now then you go see how sweet this pepper dey for food. So now me, so now they wash my onion, I dey peel them, I go peel them jelly. Make sure say all the dirty, all the yama, I comot and finish, so that everything go just dey yummy. Everything go dey in order. No wasting of time at all. No time for rubbish. I have to do it nice, so that when person they eat the food, you go they feel the food, you go feel the taste yummy. You see, I don't wash the onions finish. Now I go rinse am well again. I know they joke with screen, I know they joke with my food. Anytime while they cook, I dey make sure say I wash everything clean. So this one are the habanero pepper now, where I go add inside that sweet peppers. You know, I have to remove the stuff, wash and clean too, wash them very well, remove all the dirty. This particular pepper, I don't know where they bring them from. When you put just one for food, now so it go pepper, it go hot well. This one are my ginger and my garlic. Hey, I know they miss ginger and garlic for my food especially when I dey make stew, I must put ginger and garlic. Ginger and garlic are too much. So this one are my spinach. This spinach I buy am the day before the day where I want cook. See the color just change. I just buy them before the day I want cook. No, the color don't change. That is why it good when you just buy them that very day, use them that very day. Especially this particular spinach. Now so they do. I don't know what they worry am. Anytime when I buy the spinach, if I not use them that day, I leave until the next day. Before you know, the color go change. My people, even I know what make and they do like that, let me know in the comment section why the color they change just within one day. You know, you're not supposed to like that. Now the thing they wonder me. I beg, even I know why the thing they did like that, more na tell me. Now for turkey shop where I buy this spinach, and for inside turkey shop, I don't know why it they did like this. I been a fake one, I been a be better one. Make una let me know for the comment section, because me I dey like my vegetable make it a day green inside my food. So this one I don't get any option than to use it. I don't fit throw am, because now the day where I want cook now be this. If I throw am now, which one I go come carry cook? I just get to manage them like that. So next time I no go do this kind of mistake. As I buy am that very day, I must make sure say I use am that very day to cook, so that e no go change color. I no wan make the color change. I dey like to see that green inside my food. I dey like to see am fresh. You see, if I dey wash my vegetable, I no dey joke oh, I dey wash am well, because if you dey wash am, you go see say sand go dey for under. That is why I dey take time wash am. I dey wash am like 3 times, yes, 3 times, to make sure say I remove all the sand, remove all the dirty. You know, e no good when you dey eat food, you come dey chew stone, pram, e dey disturb for teeth. So I no dey like am at all. That is why when I dey wash my vegetable, I dey take my time, dey wash am well. Abeg, make I no mind these children wey dey make noise for background oh, na so they do oh. That's why sometimes I know they like to do voiceover, because when I want to voiceover, they go carry their noise come. But don't mind them, we must do the work must continue. So I don't wash the spinach finish. Now it is time to start cooking. Now the soup I won't make first. I dey make egusi soup, the frying method, because my children they like this frying method. Even my hobby they like this frying method. That is why they like do this frying method. So now the egusi, I don't blend the egusi, I don't come mix am. I blend onions mix with water, pour inside the egusi, mix am, because that onions why they put inside, they help the egusi to dey like this. They dey like say na egg where you fry. You see, I first of all fry the egusi, fry am well. Then that pepper so where I blend, I come put some inside. You see as those pepper they show in face red. Now so I dey like am for my egusi. I dey like to see those pepper. That is why I know they blend down. I know they blend down smooth. But if you want cook your own, you fit blend down smooth oh. Me, I dey like to see those pepper. You know, it dey like designer soup for me. That is why I dey do am like that. Especially when I dey cook egusi soup, when I dey do sauce, when I dey do porridge jam, I dey like to see those dot, those red dot for the food. So now crayfish I don't put, so I can't put salt, put maggi. You know, I can't stir everything together. And you see that chicken where I fry, I don't put some inside. Oh my God! If you dey my kitchen at this time, you go want die. You go feel so now for heaven you dey, because the smell of my kitchen now is just heavenly. The smell in the kitchen now is just heavenly. This soup is sending message. Now I don't come put the vegetable where I cut oh. See the vegetable, yes, I see dey. Now this one now go come make the soup look very beautiful, look very handsome. Oh my God! What is egusi soup without vegetable? I no fit eat egusi soup with vegetable no dey oh, because that vegetable now they make am dey attractive for me. Now they make me dey hungry to eat am. Now they make it. Oh my God! When I cook egusi soup, I can't put that vegetable. The vegetable, especially when it can't dey green. Hey, when I can't serve am for plate. Oh my God! It's looking so yummy. Now I don't cook the soup finish oh. The soup done. No waste time. Now stew I dey make. Still now they make, so I don't put my tin tomatoes. I dey fry the tin tomatoes well. I first put onions, fry the onions well. I can't put my tin tomatoes. Now the tin tomatoes I don't fry and well. They don't fry well. I can't pour my tomatoes, my tomato mix. These tomatoes, so now onions and pepper they inside. I blend them together. Now I don't pour them there. I can't put all my spices and seasoning. You know, now the mix and make it mix well. This one now ginger and garlic. I tell you now, I know they joke with ginger and garlic for food though. Ginger and garlic must go into my stew. That one I blend them fresh. I don't put that inside. Now the chicken don't go inside. I can't mix everything. They mix up. Oh my God, I have to cover it now. Give them some time. You see, still not done. It don't done. Have you seen? You don't see the stew. You don't see as it there. This stew where they see so this stew sweet well. It's sweet well. It's sweet well. The stew don't done. Now I don't enter the next one. The next one now I want cook so now spaghetti. This spaghetti so I mix pepper. This spaghetti so I mix palm oil and groundnut oil. And now I can't put this pepper where I blend. You see, this one now basil. You know basil. The smell of basil is top notch. I can't put all my ingredients so spices and seasoning. They fry this pepper. First of all, I get to fry this pepper well, because that is the cocoa. That is the base of the whole matter. So after I don't fry it well, I can't put my tin tomatoes. Very little tin tomatoes. I can't put that. am, come dey turn am, fry that thing tomatoes well again. I fry am for like 5 minutes, give am some time, make it fry. After I don fry, you see this egg, I boil the egg before I start to dey cook. Now so my children they like am. This egg I don put some hole around them. I come put am inside the pepper sauce. Now I go allow am make the sauce enter, make the sauce marry the egg well. I go leave am there for 5 minutes. After I go comot the egg, come put am for one side. Then I'll come put the spaghetti, come mix am well with the pepper sauce, mix and leave am for 5 minutes, make it fry well. Food done. Oh, bring your plates.